Welcome to Mind Matter. Today, Hajar Stranger Hajar speaker box work is going on. Its IC got sorted and it's not working. So its repair is going on and testing. This is the solenoids and also is tested and repaired with soldering. Uh, this is the electrician's SK Abira Electronics. Uh, Uh, guys, please continuity checkings. This is diodes continuity checkings of the speaker due to IC sorted not working, and the electrician is checking in digital meters. It's not working. Work just it's not up to the marks also. So please, this is the continuity checking. If it is sound, this is okay, and soldering is required, not anything parts are damage of diodes and all the electronics parts. The electrician is checking. If it is sound, it's not okay. uh, it has a cut. Okay, okay, it is okay, guys, it's okay. Okay, checking, guys, checking those. Okay, this is okay. If it is sound and not okay, that's main mechanism. Okay, this is okay. Amplifier stranger hajar machine speaker box. This is theater. Please, you can see this is the box. You can see example of its circuit board is sorted. Series bulb shortage, glow shortage series bulb. You can see 5 ohm resistance, 5 watt resistance, one IC short. You can see this is one IC short. So it is the repairing is going on. It need to be repaired by the electrician, by the Abra Electronics. This is the front portions of this speaker. You can see this is company name, BPT 1000 and strangers. This is the speaker. You can see its repairing is going on. Abra Electronics. And this is the transformer, power transformer. This is the power transformer. This is transformer. This is the producing the currents, maintains voltage to the transformer. Current voltage up and downs to the transformer is working. Also, that's also main circuit boards. This is the this is right now. This change now machine is running and it is okay. It is done by the mechanics. Repair is done. It is running. This is sound vibrating. You can hear the sound. Please see the sound. Actually, it has a 20 IC. So one of the IC got damaged and it was repaired. If one of the IC got damaged, it can working, but it should be changed. So mechanics repaired it. Friend, you can see that right now is speaker is working. The IC sorted one and it repaired. It's working fine. It's okay. Done by mechanic electrician. Stranger 1000. Right now it is okay, guys. You can see, right? It's fine, and the speaker is Music is okay, good. Sound quality is very good and control and manage by the electrician. Mechanics. As okay, guys. Transistor and IC Moscow. You can 5198 numbers. It need to be changed. It's amplifier and voltage, more voltage and currents are changeable as per requirements, and a speaker like this it's not working, so that's why it need to be changed. It is working is going on transistor and it's going to be fitted here. This one is not working, what I said to you guys. Solderings, so in order to change, the electrician is soldering with more attachments to this module, this transistor, which working for better outputs of this speaker, which amplify and sets the transistors working need to be changed. One of the most and voltage and device in this instrument, this is transistor or MOSFET as well as IC. This guys, please look, it's working. Soldering is going on, guys.
Open transistor. Opening
transistor. Yeah, this is open. Transistor is open. It's not working. This damage part, please guys. This transistor is not working, so it changes. A new transistor exchange with new replacement, guys. Going on, working is going on, guys. Please look, this is the methods of the speaker working, how to maintenance the speaker of the Stranger 1000, and this is one of the best method. Please don't, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. This is the mind matter, please follow me on this channels. This is soldering process. This is soldering process mechanics, soldering to transistor. This is the worn out and damaged transistor, which was open and changed in order to fit new transistor. So guys, please see, this is the new transistor exchange and fitted due to create more good sound quality to the device, because transistor or IC and Morphos one of the best device. This is adhesive, this is in order to protect from outer sides, and this is added here plastic quality. Fittings is going on. How transistor. Actually guys, please see, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's fitting transistor which is screwdrivers, and finally now it is done and it is going on. Transistor is changes and IC morphos, that is called also, as well as it is one of the most devised in these equipments. So the work is done. Now there are electronics. That's all, guys. Now it is fine. Machine is working, guys.